Now let's see how to make beautiful and quirky latkans. Here are the materials you will require. Fabric pieces, it can be any fabrics that you would like to make your latkans into. Carbon sheet, 3D liner, thread, measuring tape, a motif, felt sheet, scissors, embroidery thread, needle, marking chalk, a candle or a lighter, beads, pearls, bead caps. So let's get started. Now, place the motif on the carbon sheet and trace it. Now we are using an elephant motif to make the latkan very quirky. You will be having 2 different motifs traced. Now cut the motif using scissors. Now let's stitch both of these together using a blanket stitch. Now take the felt sheet and cut into small pieces as we have done here. Now take these pieces and start filling it. Now take a 3D gold liner and outline the elephant. Doesn't it look quirky? Follow along with us to avoid confusion. Remember to outline on both the sides of the design. Now, let's make some other latkans as well. Take a piece of fabric, measure it 3 inches by 3 inches and cut. It can be any fabric of your choice. Now fold the fabric as we have done to form a triangle shape. Cut the extra fabric using scissors. Now take a candle or a lighter and burn the raw edges to give a neat finish. Be careful when you're doing this. Fold the fabric and stitch it along with us. Once you're done with the stitching, reverse the fabric. Now you're ready with two different cones. Now it's time to assemble the different parts of the latkan together. Now take the elephant motif that we have done and some beads and the cones that we have done. Assemble the latkans along with the beads as shown here. Make sure you're knotting it at the end and cut the excess thread. There you go. You are ready with beautiful latkans. You can use them on your blouse, on your lehenga or any other ethnic dress. Make any different type of quirky latkan that you want to. Now you yourself can make a nice beautiful latkan just from your home. Now let's see how we can make a beautiful fabric choker necklace and earrings. Let's have a quick look at the materials you will need. Thread, marking chalk, carbon sheet, fabric glue, embroidery thread, scissors, needle, embroidery frame, round nose plier, mirrors, fish hooks, jump rings, sequins, any fabric, a design or a motif. Let's get started. Place the motif on the carbon sheet and trace it on the fabric. Take the fabric glue and stick the mirrors as we have done here. Start stitching the mirrors using embroidery thread. Follow along with us to avoid confusion. Now, take the sequence and stitch it as shown here. Stitch the rest using the same technique. Now let's start making the earrings. We will now use the same techniques to embroider the earrings as well. Now stick the mirror using fabric glue and use the embroidery and stitch it. Take a marking chalk and darken the lines that we have done. Cut the fabric using scissors. Trace the pattern on the felt sheet and cut it. Now place the fabrics as we have done and keep it aside. Take the embroidery thread and cut it into the desired length you want. Here I have taken 12 strands of thread. Now bring all these threads together and start braiding as we are doing here. Once done, tie a knot at the end. Make 2 braided strands using the same technique. Now take the fabric for the necklace and start folding this way. Now attach the strands. to avoid any confusion, do it along with us. There you have it, the necklace is now ready. Now just attach the tassels. Doesn't your necklace look beautiful? Now attach hook to our earrings. Make a hole using a needle as shown. Take the jump ring, open it and insert it as we have done here. Insert the hook into the jump ring and secure it using a round nose plier. Your earrings also are ready. There you go. You're ready with a beautiful fabric choker and earrings. You can wear them with any of your kurti, sari or ethnic garment. Thank you.